Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we have a Mercedes A-Class and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big, oversized, ugly box and replace it with something like this. In terms of compatibility, now this will work on all AMG Line models. So A180, A200, A250 with the AMG Line pack, and this will also fit the A35 AMG. So because our design is basically a redesigned version of the factory box, so first thing we're going to do is take off all the screws that you see. The plate will come off, this will unclip, and I'll show you how to put this on in its place. So I've got the box off. To get this off is actually quite easy. You just need to pull really hard to get this clipped out of that hole. 1, 2, 3. If it's not coming off, it just simply means pull harder. Once you get those clips released, there's these little prongs at the back. You just got to spread them out and it'll unclip off the bar and it drops out. Now it's time to install our part. Now this is also very easy. There's a little knob that self-locates to the factory hole and it will rest on the bumper, just like that. So how I like to do it is grab yourself a Sharpie. I will color in the hole, and then what I like to do is just pre-drill that with a tiny drill bit. I'm using a 3mm, 2.5 also works. Once that's done, you can simply put in the screws that I provided and they'll stay in place. Now that we have replaced the factory mounting box with our miniaturized version, it's time to move on to the second part, which is the bracket. So how our part works is, part 1, you need a plinth to suit your car. Part 2, you need a bracket to suit your number plate style. So for example, Victorian Slimlines, we have a Victorian Slimline bracket that attaches to the plinth, followed by the plate. We have brackets to suit pretty much every number plate style in Australia. For example, if you were to fit Euros, get yourself a Euro bracket, which attaches like that. We have brackets to suit international plates, so international slimline in multiple sizes, standard size plates, Japanese, and all the specialty brackets we also have to suit. So all you gotta do is choose the right one for you. In this case, we'll be putting on Victorian Slimlines. So I've got a Victorian Slimline bracket here, which you attach to here, and then this will bolt straight up to our bracket. So all I'm gonna do now is take out these screws. We'll use these same screws to bolt on our bracket. You can use any slot paired with any mounting point on our plinth, and that gives you a wide range of adjustability. We're just gonna go in the middle, just above that line, and see how that looks. Now I'm ready to bolt on the number plate onto our bracket using those 4 corners. Now I am using our optional security screws today. This means it's going to be a lot harder to take, so they're kind of like full of anti-theft screws if you like. I'm going to use the key to put them on, and that completes our installation. And there you have it. We've got rid of the big oversized factory mounting box that's pretty much on every Mercedes-Benz and replaced it with our miniature plinth paired with our number plate bracket. So this system, just remember how it works is you've got to buy the plinth to suit the car and a bracket to match your number plate, and those 2 parts together will complete your mounting solution. So I hope you found this video useful, so thanks for watching.